Yo, what's good, people? Ikamubushe Zizi, better known as OPs, isn't it? KG.
Entertainment space in Joburg, it's not the same as Giti in Mpumalanga or wherever. Not
Joburg is kind of different in terms of opportunities, yes. But now, in terms of us artists performing, we feel like the crowd here is much better than the one in Joburg. Oh, man. I'm the superstar that I think I am. Yeah, my shit. Let's say I'm an upcoming artist.
yeah.
So I feel like I'm manager. You understand relevancy?
Right.
So if you see good tea, they're relevant enough. Now when you wanna hold yourself in, you understand?
HULI, the best to ever do it on the CAM. Digital time about faith. So
Uyaza ke mntwana ntshethe listen mina ngihamba nawo ngithi uyaphi nami uthi masiceda he comes up to my face I push him like baba why usundela manje uthi ngiphushelani ngithi angikuzona nje ukukhuluma lapha why ufuna ukuza la no mina ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi ngifuna ukushaya ngithi he calls me in the morning he's like yo bro Izolo I pushed you so much I don't want to say I'm sorry I'm like nigga I'm sleeping it was bengilele lapha
Exactly. Which
the big reveal. Honestly, see seven says pa.
Hey, what's good, my wavy gang? It's your boy H, and we're back again with another exciting episode. Today with me,
It's Nata. I'm with Bizizi and I'm with Soul and then Ryan. So give us something.
Nasa just took over the show, so I'll just give it to my brother here. Nasa just control the show, my brother, because very
Right.
knows who you own. I
Somebody
was direct.
Somebody makaya too. Yo, I was kidding. I was just like joking with this guy. But my yambona isekang nigili intambu ukuthi ngihenge. No, there's no flow. Right. We have Bizizi here. So I wanna say,
Hey, Patanjani.
yeah, sharp man.
But then there's why I'm music to now introducing that. Come
Okay,
on, man.
I think
You
it's
see,
you
I
too.
was thinking doing that.
I take it too. But
Yo, what's good, people? Ikamubushe Zizi, better known as OPs, isn't it? KG.
It's really like a you see
right.
when you feel.
Thank you, my boy.
Bro.
Ungihambela
Lessons,
phambili.
though.
Bro,
Ungihambela
don't
phambili.
do that, man. But then I catch you with you
Boy,
very.
like I mean, like lessons, man. You have to learn the hard way. If it's gonna be simple, hey,
Okay.
You
You
ain't
won't
gonna
learn.
learn shit.
you won't learn.
Okay.
So it was.
Are you cooked? You cooked,
Yeah,
my brother. You
it's
cooked.
difficult.
I don't know where you heard that, but you cooked.
You ate.
Yeah.
No, I
You
ate.
ate.
I ate. Yeah, sure. Otherwise, it's easy.
Yo.
Yo. I saw you yesterday.
Wow.
Saw you yesterday.
Okay, I want to hear this.
Are you came with a wave? Yeah.
Hard.
It was
I
hard.
came in hard.
Really hard.
Right.
That's
really
not
hard.
bad.
Right. So ever since you came, but Peter Ganjan,
You know it's always great to go bala.
Yes.
You know it's not my first time coming here. Every time we link up, it's a good vibe. All the damn time, you know, dog.
Yeah.
So I love it.
yeah,
Yeah.
guys. Disclaimer. Bayazana. Yeah. You know,
Sorry, guys.
Won't be too much in the conversation.
Sorry, guys.
Cause
Sorry,
Let's
guys.
put you too much into the conversation.
No,
Yeah, guys.
Zaza.
Yeah.
You get my chance.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't feel left out.
Usistratili.
So ungazi kangcono.
Because mine is like, hey, Bonnie, this all. I'm like, yeah.
Sure.
But then let's get it.
Yeah. But Peter Ganjan,
Yeah, every time it's a good vibe. I love
No,
it. Yeah.
I saw the last time when you came. I saw it was maybe a little bit of
When?
I think last week or
2 weeks ago.
yeah 2 weeks ago.
Of how?
No, you were just like chilled.
As in like
Not
the
like
mood.
yesterday.
Oh.
Yesterday was fire.
You know,
It's
you
massive.
let me tell you something, ne?
No.
So it's different when I come
Tell
here.
us something.
Let me tell you guys something. Actually,
Yes.
it's
Yes.
different when you come here to perform and come here
Yeah, to chill.
for an appearance.
Yeah.
You get my
Definitely.
shit.
Yeah, sure.
So yesterday, I was here with my friend who's a DJ.
Yeah.
So I'm kinda managing her.
Yeah.
So that's what I was doing yesterday. And then 2 weeks ago I was here to perform.
Yeah.
Phela lapho sikhuluma ngomsebenzi.
Yeah,
So
sure.
I need to be serious and then sizo rocka after.
Yeah, it
You
makes
get my
sense.
shit.
Yeah, it makes
So
sense.
mele ngenze sure ukuthi I'm in this mode yokujabulisa abantu.
Yeah.
And then after zakat.
At last
You understand
ngiyakwazi
now?
wena uyakhalisa wena. Ngiyakwazi uyakhalisa futhi wena.
Yeah, so
Ayakhalisa wherever you are, like it's always a vibe.
Shit,
Your
umsebenzi. That's all I can say.
her entourage, dog. You must pull through. Emaboneni uzobona, fam.
Ngibona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Bro, like yo,
No, the
it's
thing
going
is,
down.
I'm also, besides being an artist,
Yo.
I'm a host.
Yes.
So I host girls. Istoke is nice.
Mvana.
You get my shit?
Bro,
Yeah. So
my
I'm
bro.
is nice.
No, it's fine. It's cool. Yeah.
Squeeze in phela nasazi abantu abarayi.
No, thing is,
Oh, not
check.
now.
So
Late.
So
That is a
what
conversation
I know,
for legs.
what I know is, ne, you see that entertainment space in Joburg, it's not the same as Giti in Mpumalanga or wherever. Not in Gauteng. Gauteng has this special thing in entertainment. That's why people from Joburg, people from Cape Town, they move and then they come to Gauteng to pursue whatever they want to pursue, right? Sharp. And then yeah, and then that's where you're gonna find people like Abu Bushe, right? Yeah.
Making things
And Maguti will privilege enough to sondele and then get to know them better. Because you know how it is as I'm an artist, you know, it's gonna be difficult to go to sondele Bush. Yeah, but it's gonna be difficult. You can't just like go to Bush. Obviously we are going for the page, you know?
To add on what you're saying, ne?
Yeah.
Yes, Joburg is kind of different in terms of opportunities, yes. But now, in terms of us artists performing, we feel like the crowd here is much better than the one in Joburg.
Definitely.
You know why?
Yeah.
Because in Joburg, siphuza sonke emaklabhini, sihlangana sonke, sichila sonke.
Yeah.
So now they're not excited to see us perform anymore.
Yeah.
I don't know if you understand
Nah,
me.
I get you,
So,
I get you.
because I can't be chilling with you every weekend at the clubs, and then now I'm a same performer. It's nothing new.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Sharp. I'm doing something different than what we always do. Chill. I'm performing, but now I'll try to go on. So we are born to what's the point? Lana ngangena bayangihlangela.
Yeah, sure.
They scream. Ladies, abanye bangidonsa ngeenwele
Ooh.
bafuna ungibamba.
Yeah.
But in Joburg, abazokubheka kanje uzidlulele nje. They know you.
Because they know you.
You understand? That's why I'm saying, in terms of the crowd and us performing, I prefer it not in Joburg. That's all I can say.
But if you wanna pursue,
Okay.
go
Yeah,
to-
opportunities go to Joburg.
Yeah, Joburg. But
Yeah.
then,
Yeah.
if you
Yes.
want to just to like
Yes.
interaction
Because
with the crowd.
sure.
here
Yeah.
you're gonna feel loved.
Exactly,
And also
exactly.
feel like man, I'm the superstar that I think I am.
Exactly.
Yeah, my
All the
shit.
person that you are. 'cause
Yeah,
when
of
you-
course.
it won't be
Sure.
like-
Yeah.
it won't
So they
be.
appreciate artists here.
Exactly.
Yes, they do.
Exactly.
Now,
Wow.
ever since you started,
Come with it, my guy. Come with
Hey,
it.
Yeah.
hey, hola.
ever since like you've started with the career,
Yeah.
Ever since you've started, what do you love most with the craft that you do and the career?
Actually, collaborating with other artists,
Yeah.
because Lapo it enlarges your creativity.
Yeah.
You get me? Because if let's say Business in KG, sihlale sirecorda C2 a studio, we're gonna be limited. But now, if in Shangana, nawe no Nata,
Yeah.
you're gonna bring
More
a different sauce,
audience.
Yeah,
different spice.
sure,
Then
sure.
it's a Shangana,
Sure.
fire. You get
Yeah.
so yeah. Collaborating with artists, I think that's best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No, fair enough. So, what's your take?
No, I feel like what you just said is very beautiful because like once vele nihlangana vele umcondo iminingi like something beautiful comes out.
True.
of it. Like,
Yeah.
True.
it's
True.
very creative.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
creative.
I feel like mostly as up and coming artists, we have this one I don't know how to call it. Angazi mhlampe ngayibeka kanjani. It's it's one thing which is a limitation to up and coming artists when they see you guys as people about the production phase
Yeah.
in entertainment, right? And if I'm gonna come to you, if mina ngiza kuwena
Yeah.
ngifuna i-feature,
Yeah.
it's because of our limitations we experience how to talk to you, and mina ngizoza kuwena sengivele ngiyakutexta or ngiyakudm asking for a feature. How do abantwana basekhaya kufanele benze ngakhona izinto ukuze bakwazi ukuthi baxhumane nani in a best way ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nisebenze nonke?
Mfana lento ayinamemo. I can lie right now and say DM me what. Do you know how many DMs I get?
Yeah.
And it's not every day where I can respond to each and every DM.
Yeah.
Unless you have that blue tick, you are verified. Unfortunately, it's like that. People take you serious when you take yourself serious.
Okay.
You understand? So you can be dope, and then you DM me, you send your stuff, then ngakuphenduli. That's not fair, but hey, ngiyakuphendula wonke ama-DM.
But at the same time,
Understand?
Buhle,
Yeah,
check-
That's like I'm not gonna lie and say
Yeah.
everyone that tries to reach us, we respond. That's lies.
yeah.
Banenhlanhla.
Nasisikhathi futhi ngeke usithole njalo.
Yeah,
Dog,
sure.
dog.
Yeah.
So banenhlanhla abathola the opportunity to be responded to. I don't know. That's why it doesn't have a memo. Sometimes ube nenhlanhla ngiphendula i-DM yakho, and then hear your stuff, and then we rock. You understand?
Right.
Sometimes nje ube dope kodwa ngikuphenduli. So you understand?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Lama nenhlanhla nebhadi
Exactly.
nje.
Which is why we vele
Thola nje abanebhadi.
But at the same time, I feel
bona
like,
kumele bayibokeze.
Bageze olwandle.
but at the same time, like I feel like most artists, ne, the reason why boutique and stuff like that, it's not because like they're busy. It's because of there's this thing, I don't know, maybe like it's a void or something, like from the past, but coming.
ingathi konto yaziyo.
Khonto yaziyo. Ngathi personal.
Yeah,
Personal. Izanayo.
Wait. I'm trying to bring something here.
Yeah.
Not for us, but for the people.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
Yeah.
I cook.
Yeah, but
We're listening.
so there's this thing.
Just keep it kanjani ndaba. Just keep up as like for the people. Hey.
Yeah, but
So sorry, the smoke doesn't disturb anything.
No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but so there's this thing, my boy.
Yeah.
Ni artist,
Sure.
right? I am an artist,
Yeah, sharp.
right? Sure. We am TMA, soul, yeah, sharp, school, yeah. Yas into ezongenza ukuthi mina ngikuboutique wena yini.
Yini.
I feel like you don't have
Isenhlizweni lena.
Let it out, my guy. Let it
Fine,
out.
Vince.
It's not
Yeah.
like it's in this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
you can
Let me vent, right? Yeah, let me vent.
Uh,
It's not like St. Louis way, right? Into zongenza ukuthi ngikuboutique.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
It's because you come to me without a professional team. The reason why I'm gonna boutique you,
Yeah.
you don't have PR, you don't have managers. Someone who's gonna connect you, who manager that busy, so that me and no busy singakhulumi direct,
Mfana, let me
indirect,
sorry
and then
to
let
cut
me
you.
count,
That's
right? I want to see
sorry,
something from you.
Sorry
Yeah.
to cut you, Nick.
Yeah.
I wanna see something from you.
But
Yeah.
let's say I'm an upcoming artist.
Yeah.
So afford kanjani manager
Like
and
Nita,
team.
come on.
Guys, nah, that's not fair. Like you're expecting too much from me. Ngisaziphandela.
Yeah.
Didn't cook, my guy. You are sister man,
You understand? I understand ukuthi vele they take it serious when you approach them in a certain way.
Yeah.
But
Then,
ngisaziphandela. Ngisafuna ukuthola a certain reach. The next thing, kumele ngibe ne-manager. Ngizoyi-afforda kanjani? You understand?
The
So
reason-
unless
yeah.
you're lucky enough to get someone who's willing to help you
Yeah.
without any expectations,
Yeah,
you
sure.
get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The reason why I said this, Nick, I want people to understand, our viewers
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
understand. Ukuthi maybe someone thinks the way mina nisho ngakhona
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now,
yeah, yeah,
right?
true,
Yeah,
true.
ngifuna ukuthi abe nayo i-understanding more.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So now check. Here's the thing, ne?
Uh-huh.
we collaborate
Yeah.
as artists.
Yeah.
There's this one thing Prince KB said. He said on Twitter. He said why OGs in the game, whenever they see an upcoming artist, they want to tap in. Why don't you let those guys eat a little bit?
Relevancy, dog. Relevancy. Uyabona unethu
It's all
uyaphusha.
about the game.
That's
dog.
not
Unjalo.
Right.
You understand relevancy?
Right.
So if you see ukuthi they're relevant enough, now you wanna throw yourself in, you
We are
understand?
send
Yeah.
something.
But now, check.
Exactly.
Here's the thing, ne? I've been relevant in the game.
Oh, I never thought.
What I'm trying to say is, no, guys, like, what I'm trying to say is, ne?
Yeah.
I've been relevant, ne?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just saying,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. And then it happens, usol, uyavela, or you come up and coming, right?
Yeah.
And uyashisa nyakuzu, sigubu siyashisa.
Yeah.
For me, why kumele ngithathe isigubhu sami se OG ngibuye kuwe bese ngizothepa in nawe kusigubhu sakho? What the fuck it is? Why ngakuniki a chance? Let me give you a chance. Like you never ate. Your time frame is like limited, you know. Yoshisa nje unyaka and then after unyaka and then it's game done.
That's the game. It's unfair.
No.
That's how
Shit,
it is.
no.
Life, dog.
Like,
Life is
shit,
like
no.
fuck, dog, bro.
Shit, no.
Why do you expect people to be soft on you? This is live. You gave my shit.
Right, busy.
So I must
Not-
be soft on you because
Right.
you just arrived, and I must not be hard. Because I'm an
No.
OG.
No.
What's your shit?
No.
What's your shit?
Thing is, what I'm trying to say is,
Yeah.
Joe, let's leave the people, right, to eat. Imagine you an upcoming artist,
Yeah.
and then there's this one OG. Oboni yo nasi sing. Hey, nyam Sunday.
It's people
What did I
we
say
can
to
all
you?
eat, dog.
Relevancy.
We can all eat.
Relevancy. Because if I see Gucci, I can hold myself in. Why shouldn't
Why
I?
not?
Why shouldn't I?
Right.
Because I see Gucci, you cooking, you pushing. Then let me eat.
Good people, I hope you had everything. Uguti, this is how the game is. This is how the game is. This is how the game is. I hope you saw. I hope you saw, guys. I hope you saw. I hope you had. Uguti smooth kanjani bafethu. Otherwise, simnandi.
Why is he on your case? Why is he on your case?
My boy.
But Dilenai.
Yeah.
It's fine, at least you got the chance to win.
Yeah, sure. No, it was it was never about me. Yeah, it was never about me because Yasmin and
Yeah.
I always listen to wonke umuntu around me.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And then I bring everything.
Yeah.
Yabo. If we're gonna have a chat like this, and then I know we have to shoot this, so that nabo laba esingabaz hlampe bashoda ngawo lo.
They're listening, they can
You know,
relate too.
that's information
Yeah.
we just passed. Sharp. Let me spill the beans.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I Chimile namhlanje. Yeah.
Spill them.
Sharp. Yo, we have my boy, Brizo, and the building.
Leave him alone.
Yes,
Yes,
should have made noise when I came in, but you guys don't laugh because no passes. It's fine.
No, what the fuck, yo?
It's fine. Fine.
It's not personal.
It's not man.
Oh.
It's next month or is this month?
What the fuck? Next month.
Yeah.
Hello, Pazizi.
10
It's
minutes.
easy.
10
It's
minutes
easy.
we out.
No,
Bazizi,
Bazizi.
Abanang.
What it
It's
is?
easy.
Oh,
Bro, like
Why
what it
is
is?
that?
Doing.
What what it is, Joe?
I
Senkalisa ukuthi I don't really know.
Ungibonisile nami ukuthi you're not a fan.
I would know about namuhla.
Wow.
Ungibonisile na ukuthi
Namuhla. No,
Yay,
athi namuhla.
Yay. Which is why I'm saying wow. I'm like this nigga.
You always look for the wrong stuff. We are baba, okay.
Exactly.
Yeah,
yo guys, I gotta be so I think like Melis Tetele Usiswam,
Yeah, cause ish.
my friend.
The brothers are complaining about the time.
Sim Tetele
Uchakile, look at my position.
Actually,
No,
yeah.
oh.
Otherwise, thank you guys for having me. It was great.
And also thank you for your energy.
Nice to meet
Siyabonga
you,
ukuthi
Doc.
ungivusile.
Fine,
Ebekane kawu.
E-Oppo yona bangithole ebethi ngiseboxing bangiresurrect bathi vuka wena.
R.I.P.
The
Tombstone ule.
One thing I know for sure, it means you always have to pick beautiful ladies next to you because
Oh wow.
you wake up.
Yo.
You wake up.
Ooh. I'm gonna keep on saying beautiful until you feel it.
But she is beautiful though.
Hayi.
Thank you so much, guys.
Umngani wami phela lo bafethu ungayenzi lento leyo. Ungalingi. Lokunithi muhle ini.
Yebo, umngani
Into
wakho.
enhle iyanconywa.
Umngani
Right?
wakho. And it's just ukwenza plan ukuthi la
Now
mntwana
ukhona.
angazifuwa amakhisi.
Poke yini ngana.
No, it's fine. It's
It
fine.
play like
Yeah, it's fine.
Ibezo nyanya.
No, on a serious note, so come on. what's wrong with that?
Ephesi wenzani?
Ubusiness khomba Poki la, angisikwathisi Poki thina mfethu. Asiboni ring thina lapha left.
No, guys,
Thank you.
Simnandi, and
Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.
guys. Thank you so much.
it's a pleasure. Till next time.
And then whenever I'm going to have it, but it's okay.
I'm still gonna
Because
come.
the show was
One
very
question,
nice. But I go for it. Okay.
One question for business.
Okay.
Ufila kanjani umseshi manje ngaphakama iye phezulu ngokuthi ufike wena. You're the first Can I do is it okay to call you a celeb?
Yeah.
Superstar.
Oh.
Superstar.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, but after this, are you aware, Guti, you might take us higher? Like, you can change the whole
I'd be
scenario.
glad.
You can change our lives. How's
I'd be glad.
You'd be
I'd be
glad.
super glad. Because that's the whole point.
Make sure you come back for the next interview.
Definitely.
Same time.
This is home. Anyway.
Yeah. Home and out, though.
Shamtana.
This is home. I always come here all the time.
Shamtana.
Oh,
Whenever I can.
Immediately.
Home like that.
Bro, I want it to be a
You
different
guessed
home for
me.
you here.
How?
I'm not sure.
You have a different agenda for me.
I got something else for you.
Sharp. I so out.
By the way, this is old boy, ne?
Yeah.
It's old boy.
Nice to meet you, Doc.
Nice to meet you too. I'm excited to meet you. I'm fanning out. I can't help myself.
Ah, Bazizi. Never. You're not fanning out. You can't fan out, Bazizi.
I was
You
trying
cannot.
Listen,
cannot.
Busy. Like, busy, I come and so busy, I don't get to me. It has to be like that sometimes.
Oh wow, you're trying to cook, my dog. Hey, man.
My boy. I feel like you're gonna have so much time next time
Yeah.
for you
What
to
are you
cook.
talking about now?
That's too much time now, eh?
Yeah, it's too much. And
What time are we talking about now? What you all
Next
about?
time.
I ikwatisa abantu, yabo. Ikwatisa abantu
Okay, alright,
ngiyabona
so
time.
I'm saying.
Yeah, like ikwatisa abantu. So
Thank you so much, guys, for having me. I love
Thank
you,
you for
viewers.
coming.
Let's take it to the top.
Wait.
Thank you, Doc.
And please do tune in the wave, Baba. Subscribers.
Subscribe, share, and like. You know how we do it. Danka.
Listen to these niggas, bro, speaking about izinto zobuzo.
But
no, bro, like products.
Some
products.
pictures,
Products, my boy.
Some pictures,
Bro,
conversation.
that's my boy.
Conversation.
Just go there.
Show which we are Italian.
Products. Go there.
We're soft
Yeah.
talking. Stop
The
playing
way.
yourself.
The soft talk
Stop
way.
playing yourself,
Uzile.
my dog.
The soft talk way.
Get on your ski.
Sabona ish.
Manje senze njani? Sibe isinawane.
Ah,
Phela ngeke ngizoyiphatha njengesinawane mfethu hayi ngeke.
I'm Gucci, I'm Louis, I'm
ngizimshanga ngiphansi
I'm not gonna my dog. Today I'm in a different mood, I'm in a different zone. What's good, my wavy gang? This is the second segment. Mpethu umalume the Don Coolio, DSG, Digital Somber Graphics, Putumtala, sengibina ukuthi umsebenzi kodwa hayi athi ngisuke kancane. But wami awushanga intro yakho. Tell us who you are. Uthini nje putu malume madana because mina ngizokushanga wonke amagama amaningi ngoba manje vele nginezithakazeleni eziningi ngaphezulu.
Haye, KHULI, the best to ever do it on the CAM. Digital Thome bafethu, khuli kani Zulu. Umadanoni, ingane zimthandi zamkhotha zimbiza nge-ice cream. Ngiphethe zami namuhla, wangibheka so mfethu.
Mara bakuzwa abantu fana.
Abangizwa.
Repeat my boy.
Uzulu
Njani?
Njani? One more time.
Do it one more time, but the winning is energy, my
One more time. Energy, my boy.
KHULI, the best to ever do it on the CAM. Yazi, Matanon, ingane zimthandi, zamkhotha zimbiza ngani?
ice cream.
Oh. And ngiphethe zami ngiku-wave station namuhla.
What's good, my dog? What's good, my
Finally.
dog? Bathini, my dog. Finally, we have you here. Nini sikufuna. The other time when we had to chop it up, what happened the other time?
Oh, ngadakwa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ngadakwa ngaphatha ipapalaza. Bathi kuseni siyashutha, bangifonela.
Ngishakwa.
Namanje
Angikhonanga nokushutha.
No, amanzi la.
Bengiphethwe ipapalazi.
Amanzi, ngiphuza amanzi ane-ice.
So how down?
Why ngidakwa?
Yeah.
Umbuzo onjani?
Uyibuza ngendlela athi le ethi why are you gay?
Yeah, why ngidakwa? Inkinga zomhlaba.
When I walked out.
Right. That's why I'm down. I'm trying to have fun. On top of the fun that I have, sober. Yes. Mangdawa. And then nyadawa. Angazi uyangibamba.
Ngishiyo mina ngisiteshe kakhulu la. Because manje bese yadakwa. Njengoba asho unitha amadoda.
Akusamanzi,
Bese
bengisiza
yadakwa.
Hey, this is water.
bengithi
Yeah, as you can
ngizizwa
see, trips.
Lemonade.
Yeah.
Oh, please, my brother. Wathula kangaka
No,
my
no.
brother ukuphi awukho la.
Kuli.
Anthi wena ungintroduceanga wena. Awushonga ukuthi ngikhona so angisengakafiki.
Yeah, ne. Ngicina
Mawuche.
umalume Danono ngaqedelela lapho because I didn't want to take it for him because bengazi ukuthi wami uzoyenza ngesource njengo ice cream ibe mnandi jilisana.
And he don't
Shoo.
But sanibonani kwa weekend kulisi babiza ngani mfethu ama surfers.
My wavy can.
Surfers. What about
Surfers.
surfers? Yeah, because they're surfing the wave.
Or they riding it.
The best one is to call them riders, man.
Rider than
Surfers. Ne?
Oh,
So
yeah.
who could you surfer or you rider?
No, friend of the show.
Yeah, he's a friend of the show.
He's wavy.
He's wavy. He's riding it or he's surfing.
Surfer.
Wavy.
Or he's wavy.
He's wavy.
Nzile
Okay.
bathi ngwavy.
He's wavy.
Ngwavy.
Right, my boy. Let's go here.
Issue.
My boy, you have like a fashion, I don't know how to call it. Ne? You have like a fashion, but you style, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. My boy, you style. So tell us more about what you do and how you want to pursue it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kahle njami ishaka sana. Kahle. Kwasani everything. Abantu bangibiza nge-creative entrepreneur.
Right.
Yeah. Ngishaka konke ama-graphics, photography, videography, impahla, ngiyakustyla, kwasani, kwadiyele. Kahle I push buttons.
I press buttons.
Yeah. Yonke into oyifunayo. Into oyifunayo yangitshela. Ngizopush i-button izokwenzeka.
And then how you work for your space, like how it is, how you do things, and how you collaborate with people, or maybe our collaborating.
Nah, I collaborate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I believe ukuthi ama-collaboration yiwo lawa apushayo ndawo.
Right.
Yeah, cause wonke umuntu ushaya into yakhe inswembu. Nawe inswembu ngeyakho nayo, unenswembu ngeyakhe. Naso linenswembu ngeyakhe, nami linenswembu ngeyami. Cabanga-ke if sa-collaborate sahlanganisa something ngaphuma inswembu.
Right.
Yeah, I best believe ntanga ukuthi
Different types of.
My boy, like I saw a couple of match you did, and you came, I think like last year here, festive.
yeah.
And there's something we're telling you, boy.
Yeah.
I was shined over, boy. I was shined over, and then that's when I recognized, who's this boy? Because obviously it's not image also taller Mr. Prize. Okay, I'm sorry.
You said it.
Yeah, I'm
Angeke
sorry.
vele ithathe.
Yeah,
ESG boys.
it's not something also taller corporate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like it's something maybe like private space, you know? Yeah, which is when I will tell. My boy, for me, ne, like basically, angazi amachita ne, but for me, my boy, ngiyafisa ngathi ungangithelele man, ungithelele something specific because of the craft that you have.
Yeah.
So tell the people how you do things and how ufuna ukwenza izinto ngakhona so that they can support and come back to i-brand leyo wena oyenza.
Okay.
Wait, before you answer, it is so fucking amazing to see someone who come on Okuli like this. You know, like for us,
Yeah.
we know him personally. Like I'm fascinated because
What the fuck?
he's so fucking straight
Bro.
to the point. He's like, nigga, tell
Yeah,
them.
we like Kuluma.
But you're on a pause.
Shini.
No, like you have to tell the people so
Yeah,
that your brand
yeah.
like should move.
Yeah.
It's your kasi, and most of the viewers they are from here.
Yeah.
Right? And these people, they must know everything that you do, especially when it comes to like your branding and your craft space. Yeah. Milebas everything about you. Right? Yeah. And which is Lentole, it creates a platform, right?
Yeah.
It creates a platform for everyone. Something Taylor is a fees, say up and coming, right?
Yeah.
Esafisa na ukuthi ngathi ngavela and mhlawumbe ubukela kukhulu yabo ubukela kukhulu ukuthi awukhulu wenza kanje sekahlala igoli like sekenza kanje. So for you it's to do something ezokhona ukuthi iba inspired in a way. So what I'm saying is ukuthi wena right now tell the viewers what they must do. And
You mean how does it do it?
no, not
What
that.
do you say?
What do you mean what they must do?
What they must do.
How to get this match?
Sekayazi yena obviously uhlale Joburg. Your match to move. Hayi ukuthi uyayishaya noma ungabantswembu okwe noma ungabantswembu kangana ngiyafana, but for your match to move you must meet certain people. That's what I want from him. That's why I need such a viewers, right?
The riders and the surfers.
Okay, Taka, honestly, that big size daba le kule daba le yakuthola. Sageda khani ngena ngithola. Ngasho ukuthi akusisi isikhathi esibhaya ngicalile because bengishaya isithombe kahle kahle.
Right.
Yeah. So, ngase ngabona cause ngincanyela vele isidwadlo uvi. Nani yabona ngithandela.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
boy.
yeah, ngadecide ukuthi yazini, since ngithanda isidwadlo, why not mfethu ngishayele into mina engayigcoka yangithola. Mina bengishayela mina into engagcoka yini. Only to find out ukuthi abanye abantu bayithanda. Yangithola bayifrustana.
But wena awuyithandi
Still
ngani
cooking,
mawuyenza asikisi njalo awuyithandi ngani mawuyenza lento. Okay, obviously uyayithanda, right?
Yeah.
Uyayithanda neti manje I recognize as other people recognize it.
Right.
Right. Cook my brother.
Exactly. Kanje ukuthi wena mfethu umuntu ntanga
So ukuphazamisa nithi ba.
umuntu yazi ngathini abantu noma ungathola umuntu omuhle mfethu umuntu omuhle uyazazi ukuthi umuhle mara akazi ukuthi ngiyashisa uyangithola until baze bamtshele ukuthi uyashisa mara still uzoba nalama doubts la because ungumuntu naye uyangithola akekho umuntu operfect ngayo yonke into uyangithola. So naki mina lento le ngiyifrustana uyangithola isidwadlo ngiyasifrustana strong side ndanga yeah. So ngidecide ukuthi as in since ngithanda isidwadlo and most idwadlo engitholayo mfethu ziseyitoro edurayo wena mfethu yabona ukuthi enamasimba eyadura mfethu jean ya 5k skipper saboma 4k. So why not singashayi into wena mfethu cause ngiyakwazi ukuyenza. Why not singazenzeli mina lento le ngizoyigcoka
Right.
kanti abantu bazoyithanda ndanga abayifrostana why not mfethu plus futhi ngiyifuna nami ngiyithanda ngiyisupport DSG.
Right. So your branding, that means like I wanna ask you something. Your branding, you buy in okay. You buy
What's
and
happening?
then
Why
you
is touching
print.
my hair?
My boy, like you buy and then like you print.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let it out.
Spill it. Yeah.
Qala nje ubona umuntu oyishwa yahabli.
No, ngiyacabanga.
It's some digital vibe of you.
Yeah, that's some
Yeah, ngiyacabanga ngiyayiprocessa cause processor lento le ayishoyo so ngicabanga ngiyiphendule ekhanda lami before yakuthola so that's why ngihisha. So sekhohle ukuthi sicophuthele bukalo.
Sharp. So you buy and then you match.
Yeah. Ezinye ngibuy fabric. Ngiyangithola ngibuy fabric ngisithunge from scratch.
Cool. You buy and then you match.
Like I buy and
You
then
buy and then print. Yeah.
Yeah, I buy fabric.
Yeah.
Yeah, cutting,
Put it together.
make a t-shirt, then I
Mfethu,
print.
you just had support the guy bafethu
Gap.
umfowethu lona, so just like
Yeah.
let's do the justice buffet.
Nature is on some presenter energy today.
My dog,
Yeah.
ngithengi ngicala ishow lapha mfethu nigga uthatha umsebenzi wami. I was like, okay, Nate, you know what?
He's on
Today
top
is your day.
presenter
Let's take
day.
it, my dog. So very.
I think is it because you're going to Joburg tomorrow? You're excited.
Oh, what you
man,
book
No,
koshi
I'm
book
pretty
uyahamba.
a little bit
Yes, he's
excited.
very excited. He's so
Yeah.
excited.
I'm
bro.
going home, dog.
Yeah.
I'm going home for the first time. Okay, second time. Yeah, a little bit, just for a week, just to see them, you
Yeah.
know, and then come back.
Hey, yo,
Okay,
people
going
them
back to you,
close,
my boy.
man.
Going back to you.
Wait,
Right.
man, yeah, must say true. This guy
We
is
gotta
super
peep you
cool.
close.
Like this guy is.
You gotta peep you close.
Oh my God! Relax. Ow.
Come
Don't
on,
snore,
down.
yeah.
Yela data abakhosina kanyawathanda hawu banabo no I got better so
Ngokubuza question.
ngambuza ama-question
Exactly.
I open.
ngambuza ama-question buza ama-question
Ngoba sina sinama insights sina sazi okuningi.
The most controversial guy. Cela unginyakazele mshini lapha sisoya ngenzela mfethu.
Opoy is gonna cook something if Mela loses something. So he's gonna cook something. So ngcono nami, right now.
yeah
Ngibonga mina, right?
ngibonga wena vele
Ngibonga
ngibonga wena
Ngibonga
vele
ngiyekile.
ngathi ngithathe kwayizolo
Sharp, my boy. Right. Kune outfit you just did, ne? You know that specific outfit. Ngat mangibona ngayibona phakathi kwayo, right? Ngayibona phakathi kwayo. So I had this one thought, ne? As you as a designer, not a tailor, as a designer.
yeah
Right? I saw something ukuthi in the game. I hope you're gonna meet people and you must start networking with the people.
yeah of course
Know the right people abazabantu abaphakathi, right? So in that way, for your match to move, you must get someone inside
yeah
and then
Okunindazi. Yeah.
style. Everyone bazoqala ukubuza ukuthi ubani lo style la.
yeah yeah
Ifana nama-photographer. This photographer thing, ngada in Joburg now uyibonile. Baningi.
Gabi strong
And bakelezi.
strong
Babuye ask
strong ashisa futhi
UJ now yabo bashisa bonke.
Yeah.
Bonke bayashisa. But it's only a few in the span. Wonke umuntu uhleli ne-certificate, uhleli endlini. Abo-cheese boy, abanye bakhona selokishini,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. But only a few abaspanayo. Me, I did only one boy as Casey, but I'm gonna say it either way.
Pause. You did only one boy. Pause.
Hey,
hey
you
Right.
gotta pause it. You gotta
Yeah.
pause it.
Yabo? Sharp, but kwenzeka aphume after, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna focus on that. I'm gonna do something for you. Let me give you something. Only for a week. That boy, net ngisho, but akekho kuyimanje la.
yeah
Say Amsterdam.
or kanti
Yeah.
issue
He's working. Seriously working. He has a house, couple of cars, maybe 3 or 2. Yeah, somewhere there.
yeah
I saw them in Instagram. Ngaze yo-1, but la amanye, I think izinto zarecent. Ungibonga even till today.
issue
Khona ukubuza Jo ugrey ngithi imali fana. Mnandi, I'm okay.
soft
You know, I only did that because I saw something from him. Ngam something with just like words. Good, okay, yabona my kwenza so
Yeah.
so. Exactly this thing engitshela yona manje. The only person or people obadinga yona manje for ukhulu your brand, someone inside.
yeah
And for you to get that somebody inside, get someone la iqaleni ubrackets, and then you're gonna be good.
Yes.
I hope you heard. Wavies. I hope you heard.
Stay
Angikhulumi
cooking,
nokhulu-
but at least man, you're so weird. You're not
Bafethu,
doing things.
angikhulumi nokhulu kuphela kodwa ngikhuluma nawo wonke umuntu
Who's
uhleli
out there doing
emakhaya,
something.
out there, you wanna pursue something and unayo gifts, you know, you're talented and uyazama unabantu, you know. So ngikhuluma nawo wonke umuntu, right? Sonke siyazama bafethu ekugcineni.
Yeah.
Yabo, kwamina nami ngiyazama music, I'm still trying, you know, but
into ebalekile leyo Just to try that.
right? Zama, and then ukuzama phela faith, right?
Yeah.
And the moment you have faith in life, you're gonna conquer.
Straight.
Okay, ngiyayibona patience, right? They always say, if a patient man bekezela phela ubekezela uzukhathala.
Bekezela taka,
With faith.
Oh boy, don't get lost. You must be. They say it's big on manifestations and all that. Come on, dog.
What do you mean?
Step in, booyah.
I'm listening. I'm okay.
Booyah, come
listening.
back here.
You know.
You look dead, my dog. Come
Like,
back.
okay, can I just share a
But
story?
like with
just to show you
with
which time
faith.
I'm alive. Listen.
Yeah, with faith, are you gonna be good, my boy?
Yeah.
So trust in you, believe in what you do. You're gonna make it best. Joe, and like this thing, I don't know what it is, but maybe uguze ibe simple. Competition was competing.
Yeah, competition him.
Just-
Competition.
It's the man.
Yeah.
Ikalada,
It's me.
Kuli. Ikalada, whenever you're gonna say a competition him, that's when it's gonna start because he manifests that goal. That's why also yenza na old boy. So maka yenza best pangwa. So you can compete. And be cautious. Full amazed. And then that's how we're gonna move.
That's what.
Know your people, right? God, know your people. Read your space. Fashion world is something else. It's more like music. It's more like music. This industry, your music.
It's like any other industry, man.
Right? Yeah.
You know, there's one thing that I always wish people could know, which is, as much as the industry of music is known for a lot of bad stuff.
Yeah.
You uzothola abantu bethu abasenza la social development.
sure.
Simple
Yeah,
stuff
sure.
where you should be helping
Yeah,
people.
Yeah, sure.
They have the same struggle as a musician.
Same thing, Joe. Yeah.
There's school fees there.
Yeah.
You're gonna be robbed there.
Yeah.
They're gonna rock you there. In every industry, even as simple terms,
Same thing.
they're gonna rock you as
Same thing, Joe.
Like everybody is fucking suffering, but what would you be without suffering?
Yeah, no.
How is this life going to make sense if you are not
Struggling.
like go back and
Yeah.
something that pushes you to
No,
the
how are you
limit?
gonna appreciate things without going?
No, thing is like it
Yeah.
has to
You
balance.
understand?
That's why there's yin and yang, like black and white.
Yeah.
Which is
Challenge.
like-
For every
Yeah,
good,
balance.
for every
Good
good,
and bad.
Like,
That's
yes,
all. Yeah.
balance.
you need to for every good there's
But
a bad.
balance is a
for every bad,
Yeah.
there's a good.
It has to balance.
For every black there's a white,
Yeah,
and for every
You have to
small
be
white.
poor, suffering, and then being.
But honestly, me, I don't wanna be poor, nigga.
Nobody.
I get a coffee.
Nobody.
At the same time,
Jews.
nobody
Yeah.
should call me poor. It's the state of mind. Which
Yeah, state of mind.
That's what
Thank you, my friend.
At the same time,
Thank you, my
at the
friend.
same time, you know, going back to like, I've been around, yabo. So you find indabeni, but visit a masquerade camp, like him Kuku, maybe like Matembisa so,
Yeah.
where Bonum Kuku and which were the poor South Africans. You understand? And then you go to Sandton.
Okay.
Then the affluent,
Africa.
the rich South Africans. But spend time in those households and see who's poor.
Yeah, sure.
You'll be so amazed. The one in Sandton is actually poor. The one in Tembisa in the
True.
Square Camp in Kukwini, when it's time for
Much living.
Mas it is 6
Yeah.
o'clock, everyone
living.
is in the living room.
Yeah.
Like, we're playing
Yeah.
games.
Yeah,
Just
nah,
each other.
go on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Understand?
go on.
Yeah.
And then you go to Sandton.
It's lonely.
Nigga, there's
It's a
5
big
people in the house.
Lot
You
of-
go to the lounge, no one's there.
Wonke umuntu useroomini business.
Everybody's in their room.
You understand? So,
If
see
ever
the
you
struggle.
make you at dinner table. Wait, make you at dinner table. Ubaba is some big shot himself and then he forgets himself. He comes back home, he thinks he's a big shot.
Yeah, sure, still.
You understand? He doesn't know. Like law security virtue, he converses with a lot of people. So a conversation is important to him.
Yeah, sure.
When he comes back home,
What the fuck?
Hey, yeah, cool.
Obuyile, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cool.
Now you
Well,
here.
nice.
Now you here. Now you here. Now you here.
You know, I'm on touch, young by Lulu.
He just gave us something. Joe.
I stole his kid.
Yeah.
And I stole his kid. Let's just talk.
Ah, just call.
Yes,
Sounds
yes,
good.
yes.
Yeah.
Wash on Jengalo Cherry.
Thank you for the water.
Wow.
Thank you.
It's all nature, man. Busy doing the halalas and the hololos, man.
Yeah.
DJ Tom is out there chilling. Hey,
You were
okay.
wavy.
Riddles.
You look
Riddles.
really nice. But,
Riddles.
all the time you're like that. So I'm pretty much on this chick. A young motherfucking bambino, bruh.
Yeah.
Why is she in the corner and not moving? Okay, dancing, yes. She's holding her stomach like this. I can see her stomach. Okay, it's flat.
Oh,
Uveze
it's flat.
isizwe.
Oh, it's flat.
Even if it wasn't. Even if it wasn't.
No, but you can't be showing people those things in Majwali.
Yeah, those are grown-ups.
We are
They
not
do.
here for that.
They belong to the bedroom. Those
Yeah,
guys.
they
You know
do.
yourself. You know yourself.
know yourself.
Stop it.
Yeah.
So,
Stop, man. Stop it.
this young man, he keeps on showing up, and I peep. I'm like, yeah. I'm keeping the shades on, yeah. I kept my shades on. Who's the engy? Is on child with you? Except, no, I'm done. I'm like, nigga, even if she wasn't, ain't no way I'm getting her in my own supply.
Shinini.
Ooh.
Cry something, my bro.
Ain't no
something,
way. Ain't no way I'm going to do that, nigga. Like a lot of girls, my Mopis, if you're doing what you do on stage, they see the confidence. They want Gaddafi. They don't want Sandy. They don't know how Sandy can be annoying. I'm annoying, bro.
Very.
Me, I'm annoying, and I like it.
You.
I love it, bro.
You stress.
What would I be, bro?
You. Oh boy.
What would I be, though?
Okay.
And
two stories
In a very
from
nice way. In a very nice way. In a very nice
two
way.
stories from yesterday. So
Yeah,
No, thing is-
Kuze bethi manje umthozo into yini manje? Start annoying people.
Sunday.
Don't
For
be down.
Sunday,
wait,
innit?
can
Yeah,
you
sure.
I know,
Come on.
yizo lezingifasile mangifika la. Like ngiyamuzwa uyangizwa ngifasile.
Come on.
So I just want to have a conversation with you guys. That's why ngicala ngale because I'm a little
Scroofed
It's
in.
stifled.
yabo. So okay, sharp. We move on. Okay. Uyeza ke mntwana ngithethe. Listen, mi ngihamba nawe. Ngithi uyaphi nami uthi masiceda. I'm like, why? Yes, but for umangele naye ukuthi like what the fuck? Why is this nigga saying why? I'm sure she's under that thing. Mina mangize ku-groove face. Ngize ku-groove.
Yeah.
And futhi usespanini.
West ngisespanini. Imagine njalo mina ngibonakala Jope, what about my spirit at the same time? You know? Talking about spirits, there's this other nigga. Man. I wish I could, if my phone was on.
Yeah.
Nah, I wanted to call MC Kamo
Okay.
and not really prank him, call him, ngikume as if I'm alone. And then you'd hear what he said to me in the morning. He calls me in the morning, he's like, yo, bro, Izolo, I pushed you so much. I don't want to say I'm sorry. I'm like, nigga, I'm sleeping. Obviously,
Awulalanga vele.
Yabo.
Implicated. Ama implications.
So this day is like, I apologize. And he's apologizing because this is what I said, Kuli. He wrote a status on Facebook and said, Yan Kelly is the best
Genie.
female
What the fuck?
vocalist in Kondo. You understand? That's what the nigga said. Do you know Yan Kelly? So, and then I responded and said, was he speaking out of his dick? Yeah, well, I'm like, really, why would you say someone who's very unknown is the best in Mkondo, in anything that she does? You need to be known if ever you're the best, right?
Yeah.
You can't say you're the best way in your room.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, so I said that, and then he took an offense. So this whole time, he's brewing the beef. He's brewing his anger. Like from last year, he's brewing. So yesterday was his only chance where he felt like he can confront me.
Right.
Yeah, well, so in his conversation, he wants to fuck me up. I mean, he wants to fight me.
Yeah, he will.
That's what he said.
You gotta pause that.
That's what he said. No, pause that. No, fuck
No,
me up,
like
no.
he said that like literally here.
Nah, in his mind.
Oh.
In his mind, because when he came to me,
I said wait.
oh yeah,
Sure.
I thought you were talking about nose.
Ah.
Oh fuck.
Sure.
So he comes up to me. Ukala Svenzan. And you were next to me, mangenza lento leyo. Ngize cool vele because when songs are we are cool. He pushes me, bro. I'm like, oh, hey,
Was he
Esika.
here?
Yeah, he was here.
What the fuck?
He doesn't even know which I could have told the security to sort him out outside.
You had like so many security.
Me, I was
to do
when
that.
Kate is all. I could tell. I'm protected. Is all. He's fucking around with me at that time. Oh, it's okay, sharp. Okay, young business. I'm like, hey, bro, I'm here to train. And so, Yambona Venezuela Lequali finally gets a chance outside in Kumana, Kenya. As well, he comes up to my face. I push him like, hey, Baba, why you so ndela manje? Uthi ngiphushela ngithi angikuzona nje ukukhuluma lapha. Why ufuna ukuza la? No, mina ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi ngifuna ukushaya ngithi tell that to your boys, man. Tell that to your boys. At the same time, the apology yakhe ngifila ngathi it was useless. It is him feeling guilty ukuthi ubonile ukuthi ngiyaza khona ukwenza next. Just like any other, like bonke labankwachis. They were like, oh fuck, I can't do shit to this.
Right, guys. Again into yokusabisa.
Yeah.
Ukulwa nje. Asikhoni.
Yeah, so umpulu moya even though he apologized.
Soft.
Athi sithanda ukukhuluma bafethu.
Bro, like
Ayikabi, ungasilwisi bafethu for everything that we say here. Ungasilwisi bafethu.
And
we're not fighting.
We're
not fighting.
Iba umuntu okwaziyo phela nokula mfethu, yabona.
We're not fighting.
Because you can't come through and say I want to fuck you up. Mina kukabe umuntu engimisele umshaya bengiso business ngifuna ukushaya. Ngifuna ukushaya. Ngizokushaya bese ngithi ngizokushaya.
Sharp.
Before ngithi ngizokushaya, ngizobe sengishayile.
Right. Anyange. My boy. Sengiphodlile, right? My boy.
Thank you, my boy.
Right.
It frustrated me, honestly.
Thank you, my boy.
Wavies, we have
man. You are here. You are back.
Wavies, we have like Coolie,
Wavies.
Po.
Wavies.
Yeah, sure. My boy, sesemnanda against.
Awusesoft
Yeah. So when are we getting
Hey,
image?
abazi.
I think we should get Mangi's
Oh,
because I was
no.
excited ukuthi we interviewing Coolie. In my mind I'm like, we need to have something blue per spray. Just for web station. Let's collaborate. Let's collaborate.
Wait.
No, you want to
Dog, you must now. There's something I think you all deserve to know.
Okay.
It's very deep with the since I signed. It's been a long time coming.
Tell us.
Long time coming.
Tell us more.
Tell about Waivers.
It's been a long time coming. I'm complaining.
So what's the deal?
Let me just leave it to him.
Okay, Waivers. Besinengxoxo ebhaya.
Akuyona idile.
No. Besine
Listening is a skill.
besinengxoxo.
Understanding is a bonus.
Sakhuluma, sayiceda sayisila. Ngiceda ukusho nje inja yami iambassador for DSG. He's one of the DSG boys. Solomon.
Right.
Soft tooth.
Official.
So we rely on our soft tooth to make sure that we collaborate in September because I want something light and do something nice.
No guys, like on a serious note,
For the waivers.
For the waivers.
Okay.
And if you want it, make sure to put it on the comments there.
Yeah.
You will catch your own thing. Let's make Coolie crates, man.
on a
Yes,
serious note,
yeah.
Bafethu, on a serious note, Bafethu, please support the guy. Not only just because you're gonna support, right? Go to the guy. You're gonna be sorted.
I don't call it support.
Trust me.
I don't call it support if ever you're gonna
go to the guy. He's gonna sort you.
If ever you're gonna look that good.
It's love, man.
Just go to Coolie.
Let him support
Go to
you.
Coolie. Me, I'm giving Coolie. I'm giving you only 6 months from now. If you're serious with what you do, like I'm giving you serious 6 months.
Njaya.
In Jan going to Feb, you're gonna be great, my boy.
Njaya.
And don't look at the money. Don't look at the money, ne? Don't look at the money, how it comes to you. But look at the craft.
Exactly.
Yabo, the moment people coming to you, like, go ne busy, buy, love your crowd so much. Go ifro lako. Like ifro lako, litaswa amachita, bayalibanga. Yeah, and then see your money, my boy. See your bag. In 6 months from February,
Namuza lo mchiti
that's a boy.
Kuyapheka lo
You're
mjiji
gonna be
sekishini.
great, my boy. You're gonna. I saw your match, boy. That's why, like, I'm saying this. I saw your match when dangerous. Danger, mfana like when dangerous, boy. I saw your match like once, not I.
Hey, manje mataye
This is the
ezandleni.
one.
You don't know this one.
What the fuck?
You don't know this one.
Yeah, this one you
this
got it
one.
way.
Ah,
Yo.
you know. Yes, you way.
That's how I keep complimenting.
What the fuck?
They were not gonna say it. I saw it and said it. That's how I keep complimenting. This is dope. That's why I give them a
That's
time.
dope. Really dope.
And it's like what bullshit with
Ngicela
Google.
ukutshengisa ama-weavers naseskipa.
Exactly, which
The
had to.
big reveal. The
Come on,
TSGFC, baba.
Number 7.
The TSGFC.
It's not like manje ngikhuluma ngoba ngiyakubongelela and something like that. No. I'm speaking because like I'm trying to inspire you.
I'm already inspired.
I'm trying to inspire you. I'm trying to inspire the
Hey,
people.
Nate,
there.
don't kiss Cooley,
Right?
hey.
Yeah.
What's up, troubles?
Yeah, and it's too much.
Yeah,
I'm,
hey,
I'm also
lick that ass, my dog.
Jaya,
Lick
lick
it.
it.
I was privileged.
Jaya,
Privileged.
give me flowers. Give me
Privileges.
flowers. Give me
Right?
flowers.
No, like flowers. You have to get your flowers. Like,
Exactly.
yeah.
What's it,
What's
Nate?
up, P?
Right?
Give me dollar for them niggas.
Privileges.
Alpo.
I'll pull me,
Yeah,
James.
Alpo me.
Nah,
Right?
yeah,
Alpo me, liches.
Actually, we can fuck with this. Can we have blue and white like this? Can we have
Yeah, of course.
action?
Of course.
And then white and black.
Yeah.
Nah, so-
Yonke ikhala.
For next-
Yonke ikhala oyifunayo. Yonke ikhala
Later,
oyifunayo.
every session if you need blue and white. When you need black and white.
Choose number 7.
Oh, uzothenga leyo session.
New merch.
Oh,
Available.
Yeah,
Pre-order.
Pre-orders, baba. Idropa
Pre-order that
25.
shit. 25
July.
July.
What are you saying? The
Colorways.
bullshit.
Colorways comes in different colors.
colors.
Any color you want, it comes in that one. You know.
Aphuma royalty. Aphuma royalty. Now
This nigga got it all today,
Yeah,
bro. This nigga got it all today. What happened today? What's happening today?
royalty.
Nature's
Next
coming
time
okay,
you in a
man.
different mood, baba.
Yo, upizis. Hey, I figure now what passes.
Hey,
The
nah,
news
nah,
was
nah.
wrong.
Fucked it up.
That's the
though.
news was good.
Like
Fucked
with
it up.
Kasuli,
Wrong.
And my bangers
Boom.
about passes.
And I was like, wow, this
Nah.
nigga.
And
Uzokwata phela lo
ngendlela ezwana
Yeah.
ngendlela ngithanda ngayo ubhizizi ne uncorrectile yena zange
Yeah.
kwathi.
And
Ngicela
Azange
ngimtshele.
akwazi.
Beyakwatini nyamazi.
Yeah, kodwa ngamtshela ukuthi
Yeah, odi umngane
ngiyamthanda.
wakho wena. Hey.
Okusala
Nyamazi.
Nah,
ngimtshela.
phela ithu
Neta
makuqalisho
kajabanga,
bakhuluma
but
indaba
akusana
zabo
ndaba.
boyithu.
Yabo.
Kodwa kusala ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyamthanda.
Exactly.
Awungani
Next time I phone-
even the other time we linked up sengiyazayi sengiyangikhipha conversation.
Oh,
So feel ngathi we-one. It's
Phela le
like
nto yini.
wena.
Angiphem lokhu.
Phone,
Appreciate.
wena. You don't want to squeeze your in
I
self.
squeeze myself in.
Mina ngangithola nithu.
Oh.
Lo angimazi mhlawumbe waseDurban waziwa wena. Mhlawumbe unasti silo.
Exactly.
Mina ngayifaka.
My dog.
Ngifana no
Different personalities, dog, my dog. Different personalities, my dog. Mina ngiyanibheka nje ukuthi
Lona
okay, you
sisi,
cooking here.
amabangela.
Ngabangena, bathi ngaba
Hey, whoa, unesisiwe usebenza spa.
No, my brother.
It was a video shoot dog. If video shoot.
No,
I'm not blogging,
no.
doing jobs,
He even
doing
went to
different
even went to
Be quiet.
even went
Doing
to
different jobs.
even went to Super Sports.
Yeah.
I want to say shout out to Nessie.
Video shoot.
You know what this
I
is.
said it to I said it.
You know what Nessie is doing. You know what this is doing. Nessie is
Slim
showing,
Leandro.
is showing you Gucci. You gotta work hard.
Yeah.
So that you can choose jobs.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. I know. No.
That's the whole point.
He's
Yeah.
doing. That's a soft song. Vele
Yeah.
is pushing the campaign is soft.
Sharp.
He just realized, Gucci, he made a hit. When was the last time we had a hit like that?
I mean, like, bro, like,
the beats.
okay, like we have 4 years.
The lyrics.
We have 4 years without TV telly. So, ngaphandle we album laga AKA, right? Yeah, we had one song go album ka AKA.
Lemonade.
I got the pillar now.
Lemonade.
That's what's next to
What?
it. Let's give necessary.
And then now we coming back.
What's that now?
Nasty is something
We're
else.
off. Good.
Yeah,
Tata.
he's nasty with it.
No.
What do you mean?
Nasty is something
What
else.
do you mean? He's
No,
nasty with it.
Wait,
Yeah.
before say violent, before say violent.
Go listen to the
wait,
audio.
wait, and when is this available?
25
July.
You just said it, my dog. Pre-orders right now.
Yeah, but
Pre-orders
maybe I'm
Let me tell you.
Pre-order.
Pre-orders right now, my dog. Yeah. Faki order any size, my dog, any color, just do your thing, my dog. But then I'm order Pumang Ingaki.
Kuli.
25 July,
Danko.
baby.
Kuli.
Baby.
Kuli. Do you have
Alright.
baggies?
Biggies, jeans.
No.
My baggies,
I mean, like,
Yeah.
We rock that
Yeah,
way.
yeah, sure.
We rock that way.
That's the only
Yeah.
way,
want
man.
That's the
those.
only way.
That's high
I
fashion,
want
bro.
those. Yeah, sure.
By the way,
bro.
me and
I
Nate
got
are
relax, man.
going to
Relax,
Joburg
man.
tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Bro,
Right.
at 10 we leave.
Right.
We leave.
Right.
And I'm gonna leave you.
I'm sure we're gonna come back with an album.
Not an album, an EP. Album for like 4-5 days.
With our greatness, nigga.
Yeah,
I mean, like,
you don't trust yourself
we have to
shouting
come back.
talent,
Phela
my
mabisa
dog,
umshini,
shouting
right?
talent.
I'm sorry.
Mabisa umshini,
Mshini.
DJing, what?
CDJ.
Yabo,
Some way too.
yeah, some of it too. Ngiyahambisa ngiyashiya. Yabo, baye dokotela,
Oh,
service.
oh
And
yeah,
then
boy.
Thursday ngiyayithatha. Friday extensive.
Shout out to Wavy Gang. Kuli. Kuli.
Oh,
Please
yeah?
tell the
Boni,
people
the one
what's
you
about
get
Chola
my
Ganjan.
Yeah,
Please tell the people, because you say Vala Manje. Please tell them what you on the socials ungban. Ekagi ungban.
Yeah, sure.
The number sama.
Yeah, sure.
Sakok. Everything, bro.
Not stand number, my boy. That's what we like.
Oh, ngeke mbulala wenza impahla.
Ayikhitarakekezayo likakubulali bafethu.
What's up?
Sharp.
Should buy baningifuna ngithola Instagram @khulekani Zulu, same thing na ku Facebook khulekani Zulu. Yeah, if ufuna inamba yami, hey man,
Hey, where?
sesibalekela abantu mara
Hey, mama.
076 43 55 403 sengiphindele futhi 076 43 55 403.
Shall I
If you
Yangfuna.
no, like if you funa.
No, Amanda,
free
you
enough.
just cooked.
Yeah.
Wait,
He's giving you
Aliko velela mfethu.
Nina and
Ah,
Mazu.
so khuluma ngenzeke
Sure.